Central Station. Mind the gap.
They're all a bit cool here. Back this way, babe. After you, baby.
Come on, tall man. Ooh, start feeling that.
What are you doing? You're cold.
Yeah, I feel so cold, darling. Ooh.
That's because of the train station or just the wind?
No, it's a winter season, my darling.
Okay.
Well, it's a cold wind from South Pole.
Do you want to get coffee instead over here, warm you up?
For sure, let's go.
It's
There you go.
coffee,
Merlot.
1992 roasters.
Wow, awesome, eh?
Pretty cool.
For sure. Look at that,
Wow.
my
Hey, look at the cakes.
smells so good. Oh, la la.
If we go then, we'll have it later. Yep.
Escalator.
Escalator.
This is it. We are right here at the Brisbane Metropolitan City. Woo! Skyscraper combined with the vintage building here.
You love this area, don't you?
For sure, definitely.
I think Brisbane's one of your favourite spots.
Oh yeah. Big time, darling. Have a look. The pathway here.
So where we're going, what's the name of that bridge we're going to go and check out?
William Jolly.
Oh, William Jolly, okay. But first we've got to go over to that other bridge. What's that called?
Kurilpa?
Oh, yeah.
You want to go to there too?
Well, we've got to go there to get to William Jolly. So we'll head...
After William Jolly, we have On Between Bridge.
Exactly.
We're going to check it out too.
Well,
Oh, look at the bus, darling.
we'll head down that way now, baby.
Let's go. Wow. I really love around this area too.
You love all the areas.
For sure, sign lawyer.
There's your Brisbane Clock Tower.
This very famous sign lawyer here.
Stephanie Claudia Robinson's very famous too, with 90,000 followers on her Facebook Pro.
Oh, thank you, my love. City Hall, my darling. I always loved that building. Very historical. Hey, have a look at this one. It's a great design, right?
Yeah.
Very cool place to hang out. You want to have breakfast here?
Wesley House.
Yes.
We've already had breakfast, baby.
150.
Have it later. Have lunch.
For sure. Ooh la la. Oh, our lovely church.
It's really unique, isn't it?
Yeah.
some yummy stuff there.
Wah, lihat ini Besti. Keren sekali ya motor polisinya.
We've reached the start of our little journey today, and this is bridge number 1. We're going to head not that way, that way. Let we go. Hey baby, check out this scooter.
Oh yeah, do you want to try that one?
I think I should try it.
Yeah, you should ride that scooter, darling. Last time.
One of the really unique features of this bridge is these little platform areas where you can come out and have a view of the city. Take in the vibes. Certainly gives you a panoramic view, that's for sure. Little drink thing there. Place to sit. Check out the construction and those massive bolts and beams, wire cables. Wow. Okay, that's the William Jolly Bridge, and that's where we're headed. Apparently there's walkways along there, so let's go find out. Another platform, viewing platform. Baby, what do you think of this area?
Oh, stunning, Danny.
Yeah.
Have a look at that. There's 2 bridges Victoria Bridge and Neville Bonner Bridge.
Wow.
Woo, spectacular. You see that? The Queen's Wharf and the Star Casino. And this is
You could be
the
a
hotel.
you could be a tour guide for Brisbane.
For sure, I am.
show me your Aussie hat. Look at that. Wow. Australia. Yum.
La la.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So we're going over here, right?
Yeah, the William Jolly Bridge. Looks spectacular, darling.
Now, you sure there's walking paths on there?
Yeah, it consists of 4 lanes.
Oh, 4 lanes, okay.
Yeah, 2 for the vehicles and 2 for the pedestrians at the left side and right side.
Okay.
You see that? The railing at the edge.
Oh, the road. Yeah, I
Yeah,
can
that's
see it
meant
now.
to be
Yeah.
for the pedestrian.
Okay. All right, tour guide, lead the way. You seem to find all these wonderful places.
Hello, Citicat Ferry. Bon voyage. Bye-bye. Itu ada William Jolly Bridge di sebelah sana, guys.
Let's just check out this last platform, baby. This is the final platform on the bridge that actually is in the sun. Wow.
Hello, my beloved husband.
Taking a rest.
Yeah, because I want to change
Oh, okay.
this flip-flop to my boots.
Well, enjoy that little task.
That's for sure. First, find my socks.
Is that your new selfie stick?
Wow, I got it from last week.
Oh, okay.
You purchased it for me.
How do you find it?
Spectacular, eh?
Do you like it?
For sure. Absolutely stunning. That's for sure. Bye.